Hi, Lunchman here, and how-to Lunchman. Another how-to video, another how-to day. Those of you who don't like my videos, screw you. But this is called Bayou Pan Fried Tilapia. Lightly seasoned food. Okay, so I'll open this package up. Obviously, I'm struggling with it. That would be irony at its first if I use a manicure set. God, ridiculous. Who gives me little tiny scissors to open up a whole tilapia soup, huh? Irony. What's wrong with you? Oh God, look at these again. I thought it was done. No, you're not done. There's one more. God. I think it's barely fitting in here too. Okay. I'm going to put aluminum foil on this pan. Okay. And we're back. So we're going to take this and we're going to put in salt and pepper. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of each. I knew that. My producers are lazy. Okay. Now I want to go overboard with this because that could cost us dearly. And the taste test for no ideas. Now, dust with flour. So we're going to dust this in flour. 4 teaspoons of flour. Again, I knew that. I knew that. Not expired flour. One. Put together on my side. Okay, we're going to flour these. Flour these bad boys. Now, now we're going to grind oil. We need 4 teaspoons of oil. Flame on! Flame on! Flame on! And once we put the oil in there, they put it on medium heat until done. So I'll put it on like 3. Now we'll be back in 2 or 3 minutes, and we're going to flip it. And we're back. We're avoiding the oil from dripping on it and burning me again. I've had that episode too many times. Now, what we're going to do is take the fillets off of the grill. Okay. A little mutilated here, but stay with it. Okay. Now, take the oil. Still just sitting in there, and we add butter with chives. So we need 5 tablespoons of butter. We're going to use the rest of this butter. We're going to figure this is 5 tablespoons. About quickly or not. And we need 1 tablespoon of chives. And of course my pictures don't have parts. What? 4 parts. 4 parts, okay. Alright, I stand corrected. Stand corrected on that. Alright. For once they got me on it, backed up into a corner. Okay. And heat for 30 seconds. Now we're going to mix this together. Seconds, which I think it's been about 30 seconds. Shut the heat off. And pour this onto our fillets. That's it. And this has been Lunchman on how to make pan-fried tilapia.